Hello, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we're going to see the Milonguero style and doing Ochos.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe. If you are enjoying it, like it and share with your friends. Okay, here we are. Let's do this. At first, we have a side step. We are in close embrace. We are doing ochitos, ochos milongueros, using ball of your foot, keeping the close embrace, and we go to resolution at the very end.
So, things to keep in mind. It's very easy for the leader to start leading crossing back when we do Ochos Milongueros towards the back. Why? Let me show you. Because for us it's very comfortable to start doing front and back, and we start doing these kind of things. I will do it again. Tan, 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 tan. This is another figure. It is not wrong. It's beautiful. I use it a lot. So, but the thing is that we are not doing that today. We are doing Ochos Milongueros. And for that, we have to keep moving forward without her crossing. She will cross, but moving backwards. Look. Pa-pam, pa-pam. Tak, tak, ta, ta, ta. So basically, I am moving diagonal each time. And by moving diagonal, what I'm doing is side step, surrounding her, and surrounding her from my rib cage. So I give her the lead to move her leg to the back, side diagonal, move her leg to the back. That's from the rib cage.
For the followers, the tip is to step with your toe, ball of your foot each time. Don't use the heel. And I'm not using the hips. I'm not pivoting, I'm not rotating. Just I reach the floor by crossing the leg and not using the heel at all. This is all on toes, ball of your foot, all time crossing the legs, extending the legs to be able to reach the floor, not using the pivot, and you can make it happen only if you do that and keep the close embrace.
Good, very, very good. Let us rotate to the other side. And before this, I would like to mention today I'm wearing our tango pants. Our online is called Tango Dapper, that you can find on our website, MiriamLeonardoTango.com. And we don't only have tango pants, we have also the whole suit design for dancers, a lot of colors. So check it out at MiriamLeonardoTango.com.
Let's keep going with that. So we have a side step to start. Pay attention on the close embrace. We keep it all the time. And after we do a couple of these, we can close and go to the next figure.